like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm doing magnets.
You're making magnets, are you?
Yeah.
Should we open it?
Yeah. Two rainbows.
Yeah.
And we've got one sun and two hearts.
Yeah, so it looks like you've got rainbow, love hearts, unicorn, clouds. Yeah, you're right. So you need your water. Have you got your water?
Oh, okay.
So you got 100 mils of water.
Yeah. That's,
And you got a spoon,
yeah.
a bowl, a
Bowl.
paintbrush.
What?
And what you need to make is your mould. Can I
Rainbow cloud.
see it? Rainbow cloud, yeah. So what you need to do
Put the mortar in the mold.
in the bowl, yeah. Okay, so put a little bit of water in.
Okay.
Just a little bit. Put some more in. Okay. So now you want to use your plaster. Okay, and you've got your spoon, so you'll need to mix.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to mix that. Don't touch. You're mixing, baby.
It's hot.
Yeah. Is it hot?
Yeah.
Oh.
It might fly. If I told the moon.
Keep mixing.
Slowly.
Okay. You ready to put it in your mould?
Yeah. Can we just do that?
Thank you. Right. Carefully.
Now to put on the rainbow. Boys and girls, now under my quad, I put it in the mold, and I will wait for 2 hours, and I will come back to paint my mold.
2 hours later.
My mold is white and it's dry for 2 hours.
Yeah, let's see it. Ooh, okay.
I was
That
nice.
one's broken.
Yeah, this one is.
But all the others are okay.
Yeah, no, this one is okay. This one
Yeah.
is. It's got.
So which one are you going to paint then?
Eeny, miny, meeny, miny. Pink it in my purple. No, pink.
Pink, okay. What are you going to paint?
The sun.
The sun? You can do the sun pink?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to paint it.
So you made a purple sun. Yeah?
It's pink.
Oh, pink. Oh yeah, pink. Silly mummy. You painting the unicorn blue?
Yeah.
Are you going to put this in your fridge?
I have to put that in the fridge.
We'll let it dry first.
I have to put the magnet at the back.
Yeah. Okay, now you can let it dry. Pop it down.
Bum,
it
bum,
down.
bum, bum.
That's fine. Just put it on the other one.
I can use the unicorn.
And do the unicorn.
I love unicorns. She's my favourite.
Well done.
Maybe the rainbow's done. It's dry. I can take this off. Is it dry? Yeah. Boys and girls, these are my magnets on the fridge. I made them painting. Can I see them? There's pink, there's yellow, there's green, there's blue, and there's a heart. There's orange and blue. Bye, boys and girls. Enjoy my video.